Okay, this is my train set I got for Christmas, and so you can see it's a Pennsylvania Lionel train set. Got all my stuff on there, and I went to Florida and I got a Publix truck, and I have another storage place from Pennsylvania and 2 tubby carriages. And as you can see, right now, see, I got my direction, the whistle, and the bell. See the green light, and here we go. Sorry, I can't use the whistle because my mom is speaking. I gotta be very quiet. Can I go on the station? Maybe I can. There it goes. Gotta be very careful. Sometimes I go off the track. Really fun actually to play with this. I've usually built one, and I got an elevated track. Oh, here comes the train. See if it can crash. Let me get it to crash. Ooh, I think it just did. Nope, it's got her problem. Let's come over here and check it. Yes, the wheel is off the track. Let's see. It's back into place. Oh, station just fell over. Come on. Let's see. Okay, this is back in Pennsylvania. Okay. Now, let's put. Oh, yeah. Just have it plow through there. Through the station. Oh, push those boxes. Push them, push them, push them. There we go. Now, off the track. Oh. And the wheel went off again. Man, this is a crazy train. Train flipped over. Oh, that's what I like to do. Ooh, you see the bottom and everything. Let's see. Put it down. Oh, oops. Okay. Put that on. Put this on there. Should be, oh, right there. That's my Publix truck. Station, I'm not going to worry about. I'm just going to flip that over. Okay. It's a very nice day outside. Well, a little cloudy, but oh well. There. Oh, no. Good. Okay, here. Looks like you can see an obstacle. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Oh, I also got an elevator trestle, so I can make it go up and down and then straight. It's really cool. Put this here. See if my train can do this. No, of course it is, because it's cardboard. Now let's go. Ooh. Wow, we're right through it. I'll slow it down so I'm not going to fall. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. I'll use this. Ooh. So my things came off, like that box, and sign, and a cone. Jeez, what else fell off? Oh, another sign. Well, that's the rest of this. It's my whole train. Bye.